Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Curlyzhed vlog, and for today's video, I'm going to show you how to do this sunflower coaster. First step, make a slip knot and chain 6.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he describes by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
Slip stitch on the first chain to form a circle. Next step, chain 3 and make 16 double crochet. To do that, yarn over, insert your hook on the ring, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through on the 2 loops, and yarn over and pull through on the last 2 loops. You can also put a stitch marker so you don't lose your first double crochet. Repeat the steps to complete 17 double crochet. Next step, slip stitch on the first double crochet.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he describes by creating
To begin with row 2, chain 3.
something that moves.
On the next stitch, make 1 double crochet. Next, make 2 double crochet on each stitch. Repeat this step until you finish the round.
So then, why?
Next, slip stitch on the first double crochet. Cut and fasten the yarn ends. After you finish your row 2, you should have a total of 32 double crochet. To make the petals, we need to do a standing double crochet. Wrap the yarn twice around the hook and insert on the stitch.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he describes by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
And then yarn over and pull through on the 2 loops. And then yarn over and pull on the last 2 loops. On the same stitch, make 1 double crochet. Next step, chain 4. On the next stitch, make 2 double crochet. Skip 2 and make 2 double crochet on the next stitch. Next, chain 4 and make 2 double crochet on the next stitch.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he describes by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
Repeat these steps until you finish the entire round.
So then, why?
To complete this round, slip stitch on the first double crochet. On the first space, make 5 double crochet. Push a little bit so that the other side of the petal could fit on the space. Next, chain 2 and slip stitch on the second chain from the hook.
By creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
To complete the other side of the petal, make 5 double crochet on the space. Next, slip stitch on the next space. Repeat the steps to complete all the petals. After completing all the petals, slip stitch on the last space. By using your needle, hide the yarn ends.
So then, why?
This is it, guys. This is the final outcome. I hope you like this tutorial and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and have a good one. See you on my next video. Goodbye.